everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine. Today I am doing a haul from Amazon. This is Glazzi Waterlight and it looks like this. Just like that. Isn't that so pretty? And the back looks like this. And when I got this, it was in here. Well, first it was in one of these packaging of Amazon. Just like that. It's got a bubble lining in there. And it came in this as well. And same thing, it's got a little bubble bag liner in here. And it was here. So it was in this little slot here just to save time. I took it out already. And this is a 63 colors eyeshadow. There are 38 shimmers and 25 mattes. I'm just looking at my notes here. So it looks like that. This is a cardboard casing. And when you open it, there is a little mirror in here, just like that, just so you can see the difference. This is my hand, so that's how big it is. And the names are written on this here. And the first thing I noticed when I do open it, that it does have a perfumey smell to it. It's not fruity. It's just, and for me, it's not the scent that I like. It looks like this. The colors are beautiful though. And I know one of the other ones that I've reviewed before, it had this scent just like this, but once you put it on, you don't smell it anymore. So if you are not, you know, you're fine with the scent just like that, I wouldn't worry about it. But what caught my eye were the beautiful colors in them. You know, there's different range of them with the blues and the teals, the golds and yellows, and there's neutral colors. There's the purples that I love and the browns and bronze, just like that. Just a little bit of everything. Okay, so I'm just going to do the swatches since, you know, when we purchase things at Amazon, we can't really see, you just kind of have to go through what the pictures are, and that's why I'm doing a video like this. So we have an idea how this thing is. So I'm going to start across. So I'm just going to go from here to there, and I'm going to try to keep this short and sweet. And let's see. I'm confused. Don't know where to put my fingers there. Okay. Right there. She should start here. So these are the light colors right there. Excuse that because I just did a video before this and did swatches as well. And here. Let me do that green a bit more just so you can see it. There. Right here. This one is not swatching very well. Right there. So these are the mattes, but the shimmers look fantastic. So these were the colors that I've swatched. So right here. Here I'm going to use this so you can see better. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to start in the second row. Right there. The matte I noticed for the yellow is much better compared to these green ones from the first row. And the shimmers feels really nice. It's very soft and buttery. Just like that. Look at how pretty these are. Okay, So again, these were the ones that I did right here. So now I'm gonna go in the third row. Am I gonna have enough room? Maybe I'll do it here. Okay. There you go. Look at that. And the last three for this row. There. And this again is, what is this one? This is, surprisingly, it's a shimmer color, but there. It's the second time swatch. It's a closer look. And that's the other ones from the previous. All right. And now I'm gonna go to this row right here, right there. See if we can fit all these here in one arm. Oopsies. There you go. These are a bit powdery, it looks like, but it still looks good. When I put on my shadow, I like to put my primer before I use it, regardless if I'm using a drugstore brand or a high-end brand. I always put a primer. So I can't wait to try these colors, especially the purples and the browns. Those are the colors I usually gravitate to. Wow, that swatched really nice right there. There you go. Okay, I'm a lefty. I'm gonna go swatch the other one on my right arm. So, let's see. I'm gonna take my watch off for that. So I'm gonna do these row now. So we have 3 more rows to go. Right here. Oops. See, I'm so used with my left hand. Okay. Gonna do this with my right. I feel lost. There. Oh, that color does not show up on my skin. Let me try it again. It's right there, but I don't know how it looks like on the screen versus now, because it looks different. To me, it looks like it doesn't show up very well. It could be just the color is closer to my shade, my skin color. There you go, those swatch really nice. And the last 3 is right here. There you go. And the shade right here that I'm trying to swatch is this color right here. So it's a matte shade. All right, so now I am going to start right here, these. Again, this is another matte shade that I'm having trouble with. I think it's this one here. Right there. I'll show you afterwards which one it is. There you go. And what I notice is some of the mattes aren't very pigmented. See, like this. When you see it on the pan, it's so nice and vibrant. This one right here is that shade right here. See how it barely comes out? And this one, these two right here also, I was having trouble with that right there. And it's these two shades right here. It's not as sharp. You think it'll be more bold when you put it on. All right, so we're doing the last row, which are these. Okay, how do I do this? I feel so lost doing it with my right hand. Right there. And almost done. We got 6 more to go. And this is the last ones. Right there. Okay, and then the rundown of all the shades. These were the first swatches. Can't forget the ones here and there and right there. And then here, as you can see, some of them don't swatch very well. Right there, but yeah, so see, I grabbed some of that right here, and it's really powdery and dry, like it's just almost, so I think when we put a primer on this, it'll be a lot better. But other than that, the shimmers look really well. The powders, I mean the mattes, I think it'll help a lot more if you definitely have the primer on it. And yes, hopefully that helps you if you are interested in purchasing this in Amazon. It's very nice. I love the front of this, the picture at the front, and I hope that helped you. Give it a thumbs up, and if you find this helpful, and I will talk to you later. Bye.